Well, there's today's effort. I've spun it round. Might even bring the trailer up this afternoon and get ready to move it tomorrow. Well, the day's arrived. Time to put it on the trailer. Using two metal pipes as runners. Two metal runners placed on the hive, fore and aft. Those on metal pipes should slide straight onto the trailer. It'll ride up the pipes and then sit on those 4x4s, and then it'll get strapped down securely. Have fun. Dragged it on to the point where even just a little bit of effort, I can raise and lower the tow bar so that tomorrow morning I can come back and just lift it, drop it on, take it away. A pillow there for Darren to block the entrance. He's going to do that at 7 o'clock tonight after they all go to bed. Left it there so they can get the smell on it. And that's where she came from.